Imagine the aroma of a freshly baked, Neapolitan-style pizza wafting through your backyard. Its crust crispy and golden, its toppings perfectly melted. With this Skyflame universal stainless steel pizza oven kit with stone for most gas grills and pellet grill conversion kit, 22 by 15 inches, this dream becomes reality. This innovative kit turns your everyday gas or pellet grill into a high-performance pizza oven, delivering authentic brick oven results without the hefty price tag of a dedicated pizza oven. Whether you're a seasoned grill master or a backyard cooking enthusiast, this pizza oven kit promises to elevate your culinary game. Let's dive into why this product is a must-have for pizza lovers and how it can transform your outdoor cooking experience. Solving common pizza-making challenges. For many home cooks, achieving that perfect brick oven pizza on a standard grill is a challenge. Uneven heat distribution often leads to soggy crusts, undercooked toppings, or burnt edges. The Skyflame Pizza Oven Kit addresses these issues with a cordierite ceramic stone that absorbs moisture from the dough, ensuring a crispy, evenly cooked crust while keeping the interior light and fluffy. Its stainless steel housing creates a heat-retaining chamber, mimicking the intense, consistent temperatures of a professional pizza oven. Say goodbye to disappointing homemade pizzas and hello to authentic Italian-style results right in your backyard. Key features that set it apart. Universal compatibility. Designed to fit most gas and pellet grills, including Weber, Pit Boss, and Kamado Joe. This kit is easy to install, requiring no additional tools or modifications. Simply place it on your grill and you're ready to bake. High-quality materials. The stainless steel housing is built to withstand high temperatures, ensuring durability and longevity. The included cordierite ceramic stone can handle up to 1,500 degrees Fahrenheit, eliminating worries about cracking or breaking after repeated use. Built-in thermometer. A precise, instant-read thermometer allows you to monitor the internal temperature, ensuring optimal baking conditions up to 1,500 degrees Fahrenheit for perfect pizzas every time. Compact and efficient design. Measuring 22 by 15 inches, the open-face design traps heat efficiently, allowing you to bake a brick oven-style pizza in just 5 to 8 minutes with the grill hood open. Versatile cooking options. Beyond pizzas, this kit is ideal for baking bread, desserts, or even low-fat grilled vegetables and meats, making it a multi-purpose addition to your outdoor cooking arsenal. Why you'll love the Skyflame Pizza Oven Kit. The Skyflame Pizza Oven Kit delivers exceptional value, combining affordability, ease of use, and professional-grade results. Here are the top benefits that make it a worthwhile investment. Authentic pizza in minutes. Achieve crispy, Neapolitan-style pizzas in as little as 5 to 8 minutes, with cooking times adjustable, 8 to 15 minutes, based on your preferred crust softness. The cordierite stone ensures a perfect balance of crispy crust and fluffy interior. Cost-effective alternative. Why spend thousands on a dedicated pizza oven when this kit transforms your existing grill into a pizza-making powerhouse? It's a budget-friendly way to enjoy gourmet pizza at home. Easy to use for all skill levels. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, the kit's straightforward setup and included thermometer make it easy to achieve consistent, high-quality results. No steep learning curve here. Enhanced outdoor cooking experience. The open-face design lets you watch your pizza bake live, adding a fun, interactive element to your cooking. It's perfect for family gatherings, pizza nights, or impressing guests with your culinary skills. Healthy and versatile cooking. The kit supports low-fat cooking, allowing you to prepare not just pizzas but also grilled vegetables, meats, and baked goods, all with that authentic wood-fired flavor. Performance, real-world results. In testing, the Skyflame Pizza Oven Kit delivered outstanding results. Preheating the grill with the kit installed took about 30 minutes to reach 500 to 600 degrees Fahrenheit. Ideal for Neapolitan-style pizzas. The cordierite stone absorbed moisture effectively, producing a golden, crispy crust with no soggy spots. Toppings cooked evenly, with cheese melting to perfection in just 7 minutes, as reported by users. The built-in thermometer was a standout, providing accurate readings to ensure precise temperature control. Why now is the time to buy? With outdoor cooking trending more than ever, the Skyflame Pizza Oven Kit is a timely addition to your backyard setup. Its ability to transform your grill into a professional-grade pizza oven makes it a standout choice for summer barbecues, family gatherings, or cozy weeknight dinners. Plus, its affordability means you don't have to break the bank to enjoy authentic, brick oven-style pizzas. Don't miss out on the chance to elevate your outdoor cooking game and impress your friends and family with mouth-watering, homemade pizzas. Final verdict: a must-have for pizza lovers. The Skyflame Universal Stainless Steel Pizza Oven Kit is a fantastic investment for anyone looking to bring the taste of Italy to their backyard. Its ease of use, universal compatibility, and ability to produce crispy, restaurant-quality pizzas in minutes make it a standout product. While minor maintenance is required to prevent rust, the kit's performance, durability, and affordability make it a top choice for both amateur and professional cooks. Whether you're hosting a pizza night or experimenting with new recipes, this kit delivers la dolce vita every time. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.